Hi children, good morning. Today we are going to see 5th chapter coordinate geometry exercise 5.4, 6th sum. Find the equation of a line passing through 6, minus 2 and perpendicular to the line joining the points 6, 7 and 2, minus 3. Okay, see a line. Okay, a line passing through the point 6, minus 2 and perpendicular to the line joining the points. Perpendicular to the line joining the points 6, 7 and 2, minus 3. 2, minus 3. You have to find out the equation of this line. Equation of this line. Okay, here see one point is given 6, minus 2. Okay. So how do you find out the equation of this line? You know already one point. Okay. You can't find out the another point. But you can find out the slope. Because these two lines are perpendicular. Okay. Here in this line there are 2 points. If a 2 points is there means we can find out the slope. Okay. So first you consider these 2 points are AB points. Then this line you consider CD line. So find out the equation of this CD line. Okay. Now find out the first slope of AB. Slope of AB. This line slope. Okay. Because there A and B 2 points are given. Okay. So now, you consider the A point is x1, y1 and B point is x2, y2. Okay. The slope formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What is y2? That is minus 3. Minus 3. Then y1 is 7. So minus 7 by x2. x2 is 2. Then x1 is 6. So minus 6. Okay, here minus 10 by minus 4. Okay. See here, minus 3, minus 7, minus 10, 2 minus 6 is minus 4. You cancel here, you get that, cancel the second table here 5 times, here 2 times. So 5 by 2. The slope of AB is 5 by 2. Now you have to find out the slope of CD. What is the slope of CD? See, these two, AB line and CD lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay. So what is the slope of CD? That is negative reciprocal of AB. So minus 2 by 5. Why minus 2 by 5? Because CD line is perpendicular to AB. Okay. CD is perpendicular to AB. Therefore, the slope of CD is minus 2 by 5. Okay, children? Okay, now you take the slope. Here, CD, in the CD, the 1.6, minus 2 and the slope, you know. So, which form you have to find out, use here? So, we use a form, slope under 1 point form. What is that? Y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. Okay. So, here, see what is that point? 6, minus 2 is the point. So, we apply this. Here, this x1, y1. So, here y1 is minus 2. Minus of minus plus 2. This is equal to, what is the slope of CD? Minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5 of x minus, what is x1? That is 6. Okay, so 6. Now, do the cross multiply here. 5 into y, 5y plus 2 5s are 10. This is equal to, multiply here, minus 2x, minus into minus plus, 2 6s are 12. Okay. See, this is a negative term. X term is negative. So, bring to the left side. That becomes positive. So, 2x, see here, already here, plus 5y. Plus 5y. This plus 12 comes to left side, means that becomes negative. Already here, plus 10. Plus 10 minus 12 is minus 2. This is equal to 0. This is a required equation. 2x plus 5y minus 2 is equal to 0. Understand, children? Good. Now, we see the 7th one. A of minus 3, 0, B of 10, minus 2 and C of 12, 3 are the vertices of triangle ABC. Find the equation of the altitude throw A and B. A and B. First you draw the triangle. Okay. So now consider here A, B, C. Okay. What are the points? A is -3, 0 and B is 10, -2. C is 12, 3 are the vertices of a triangle ABC. Find the equation of the altitude through the vertex A. So altitude means what? Height. Okay, wow. So you consider this is A. Here you give the name P. Okay. So this is the altitude from the vertex A. From the vertex A. Okay. Then one more. You have to draw the altitude from the vertex B. From the vertex B, you give your name Q. So BQ is the altitude from the vertex B. Understand, children? Now you have to find out the equation of AP, that is altitude. Okay, and equation of BQ, that also an altitude. Understand, children? Okay. Now, how do you find out the altitude, equation of that altitude? You can't find out the P point. Okay, but you can find out the slope of AP. Slope of AP. How? See, you know the B and C points. B and C points. You can find out the slope of BC. Okay, so this AP is perpendicular to BC. So you can find out the BC slope means you can also find out the AP slope. Understand, children? Okay. Now, slope of, first you find out the slope of BC. Slope of BC. BC. Okay, here consider this is x1, y1. This point is x2, y2. Okay. So, what is the slope formula? y2 minus, what is that? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is slope, isn't it? So, what is y2? y2 is 3. 3. Then y1 is -2. So, minus of minus plus 2 by x2 is 12 and x1 is 10. So, minus 10. So, here 3 plus 2 is 5 by 12 minus 10 is 2. Okay. So, slope of BC is 5 by 2. So, what is the slope of AP? AP. That means slope of altitude from the vertex A. Okay. Slope of AP is -2 by 5. Negative reciprocal of this slope. Okay. Because AP is perpendicular to BC. AP is perpendicular to BC. Okay. Okay. Now you know this. Now find out the equation of this AP. Okay. How do you find out the equation of that AP? You know one point, A point, and now you know slope of altitude, this AP. AP altitude. Understood, children? So you apply that slope and 1 point form. Slope at 1 point form. So what is the slope at 1 point form? Slope at 1 point form. Okay. That is y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. Okay. So now substitute here. What is 1 point? That is the A point. That is -3, 0. Here consider x1, y1. The slope is m is equal to -2 by 5. -2 by 5. Okay. Y minus 0. That is equal to -2 by 5 of. Here x minus x1 is -3. So minus of minus plus 3. Okay. Okay. Now see this 5 you cross multiply here. 5y. 0 multiplied by anything? 0. So 5y is equal to, see, -2x, minus into plus minus, 2 3s are 6. Okay, here see, this is a negative term, x term. So bring to the left side. What comes there? See, 2x, here already plus 5y. So plus 5y. Then this minus 6 you bring to the left side, that becomes positive. So plus 6, that is equal to 0. 2x plus 5y plus 6 is equal to 0. Understood, children? Good. Now see, so first what is this equation? See, this is the equation of altitude from the vertex A. From the vertex A. This equation is attitude equation from the vertex A. Now we are going to find out the equation of attitude from the vertex B. From the vertex B. Okay. And now see. See, this is B. From the vertex B, the altitude is BQ. BQ altitude. Okay. Now, you can't find out the Q point. But you can find out the slope of AC and the slope of BQ. Okay. So, first find out the slope of AC. AC. There 2 points are given. That is A point is minus 3, 0 and B point, not B, C. C point is 12. Is there a 12? Yes. 12, 3. Now we see slope of AC is equal to y2 minus here you consider this x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So what is y2? 3. y1 is 0. 3 minus 0 by 12. x2 is 12 and x1 is 3. So 12 minus of minus plus 3. Okay. So 3 by 15. 3 by 15. We cancel with the third table here 1 times, 5 times. That is 1 by 5. So slope of AC is equal to 1 by 5. Now what is the slope of here BQ? Slope of BQ. That is equal to minus 5. Minus 5 by 1. That means minus 5. Why? This is a negative reciprocal of this one. Okay. Because BQ line segment is perpendicular to AC. See? BQ is perpendicular to AC. Understand, children? So the slope of BQ is minus 5. Okay, now you know one point, that is the B point 10, minus 2, and now you know the slope of BQ. Then we can find out the equation. Okay, which form we apply here? Yes, slope under 1 point form. Okay, so what is the slope under 1 point form? Y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. Understand, children? Good. Now here, what is the point B of 10, minus 2? Okay. Then m is equal to minus 5 here. Okay. Okay. Now y, here this is x1, y1. So y1 is minus 2. Minus of minus plus 2. This is equal to minus 5 of, what is x here? X is, then x1 is here 10. So minus 10. Okay. Okay. Now y plus 2, that is equal to, multiply here inside minus 5x, minus into minus plus 5 tens of 50. Okay, that is 50. Okay. Now see here the negative, isn't it? So bring to the left side. So that becomes 5x plus, already here plus y. Then this plus 50 comes to left side and that becomes negative. So minus 50 plus 2 is minus 48. Minus 48, that is equal to 0. Understand, children? Good. Let me see, children. The 8th sum. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line joining the points A of minus 4, 2 and B of 6, minus 4. See the line. Here the 2 points, that is A of minus 4, 2. Minus 4, 2 and B of 6, minus 4. Okay, wow. Then find the equation of the perpendicular bisector. It's a line which divides the perpendicular bisector. Okay. So what is mean by perpendicular bisector? This perpendicular bisector means divided into 2 equal halves and make at a right angle. Okay. So this is the midpoint of AB, because so divided into 2 equal halves means definitely that is in midpoint. Okay. So this is a midpoint. Then this is in the perpendicular. Okay. Bisector. Perpendicular bisector. Okay. Okay. Now consider this perpendicular bisector is CD. What is that? CD. Now you have to find out the equation of this perpendicular bisector. Okay? Okay. Now, how can you find out this equation? See? Okay. Here are the 2 clues. One is perpendicular. So make at right angle. Make an angle, right angle. Okay. Then one more bisector. Bisector means divided into this line segment divided into two equal halves. So two equal halves means definitely here the midpoint. You know how to find out the midpoint, isn't it, children? Yes. Okay. So now find out the midpoint of AB, that is M, isn't it? So you know formula, the midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2, isn't it? So you apply that formula x1, here you consider this x1 y1, this is x2 y2. The formula is x1 plus x2 by 2. So minus 4 plus 6 by 2 comma then y1 plus y2 by 2. So 2 minus 4 by 2. Okay. So now what is now? M of. Here minus 4 plus 6 means that is 2. 2 by 2. Here 2 minus 4 means minus 2 by 2. Cancel with the second table. Here 1. Here minus 1. So the M point, the midpoint is 1 comma minus 1. This point is 1 comma minus 1. Okay. Now one clue. Okay. What is the next clue? That is perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular means you know that, see these two are AB and CD are perpendicular. So now here the AB, 2 points are given. You can find out the slope of AB because the 2 points are given. Okay, what is the slope? Slope of AB. So here you consider x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Okay, slope of AB. This is equal to, you know, formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So apply now, what is y2? That is minus 4. What is y1? 2. So minus 2 by x2 is, here 6. Then minus of minus plus 4. Okay. So minus 6 by 10. You cancel with the second table here 3 times, here 5 times. So slope of AB is minus 3 by 5. Okay. So what is now slope of see CD is slope of CD is 5 by 3, negative reciprocal of the slope. Okay, why? Because CD is, see what is the negative reciprocal? 5 by 3. Why this is a negative reciprocal? Because CD is perpendicular to AB. Okay, so the slope of CD is 5 by 3. So slope of CD is 5 by 3. Okay. Now here you got 2 points. What are that? M of 1 comma minus 1. 1 point and here slope. Okay. So you know slope and 1 point form, that is y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. Okay. So what is 1 point? Yeah, midpoint is m of 1 comma minus 1, that is you consider 1 point x1 y1. Then the slope m is equal to 5 by 3. Am I correct, children? 5 by 3. 5 by 3. Okay. Okay. Now we see y minus, see here y1 is minus 1 already. So minus of minus plus 1. This is equal to 5 by 3. Then here see x1 is 1. So 1 minus 1. Okay. Do the cross multiply. 3 of y plus 1, that is equal to 5 of x minus 1. So multiply. So what comes here? 3y plus 3. This is equal to 5x minus 5. 5x minus 5. Okay. So here already positive in right side. So this left side comes into the right side. So 5x. This comes right side means becomes negative, minus 3y. Then here I have plus 3. Move to the right side, that becomes negative. So minus 3 minus 5 means minus 8. This is equal to 0. So what is the equation of the perpendicular bisector? That is 5x minus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. Understand, children? Good. Now we see 9th one. Find the equation of a straight line through the intersecting of lines. See, the two equations are given. The two equations lines are intersecting. Okay. And okay, parallel to the line 13x plus 5y plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, see, first you draw the diagram. The two lines are intersecting. One line is passes through the intersecting point. This is parallel to one line. That is parallel to one line. This is given. Okay. Okay. Now you see the equation of this line is, you consider 7x plus 3y is equal to 10. Then the equation of this line is 5x minus 4y is equal to 1. Okay. And parallel to this line equation is 13x plus 5y plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay. So plus 12 is equal to 0. Now these two are parallel. Okay. Now you have to find out this line equation. Okay. See, find the equation of a straight line. That is this line. Find the equation of this line. This is this line through the intersecting lines. Through the intersecting lines. And this one is parallel to the line. Parallel to this line. Understand, children? Okay. Now find out the equation of this line. Okay. So how do you find out here? Any clue? Yes, one clue. Two clues is there. Yes. Here you can find out the point of intersection. And these two are parallel means you can find out the slope of this line. That is equal to this line. Am I correct, children? Because these two are parallel lines. Okay. Good. First you find out the point of intersection. Okay. You give here the name point A and B, here B. Okay. So this line name is AB. Then this is CD line. Okay. Now see, point of intersection. How do you find out the point of intersection? First you take the two equations, solve this equation. Okay, you get one point. That is the point of intersection. Okay, 7x plus 3y that is equal to 10. 5x minus 4y that is equal to 1. Okay. So you know already how to solve this two equations by elimination method. Okay. So see, you consider this equation 1, this is equation 2. Okay. See here the coefficient of y is not same. X coefficients also not same. So now first you equate the coefficients of y. Okay. So multiply the equation 1 by 4. Okay. Multiply equation 1 by 4. Okay, because 3 4s are 12. Okay. Okay. So now 7 4s are 28. X plus 3 4s are 12y. That is equal to 4 10s of 40. You consider this equation number 3. Then multiply equation 2. This by 3. Because 4 3s are 12. Okay. By 3. Now equate the coefficients. That is why we multiply here 4, this equation by 4, this equation by 3. Okay. So now multiply by 3, we get 15x here minus 12y. This is equal to 1 3 is 3. This is equation number 4. Okay. This both are different sign. So just you have to add that 3 and 4 equation. Okay. So if you add this equation, what we get? 8 plus 5 is 3. 1 is a remainder, so 4, 43x plus 12y minus 12y cancel. Then here 40 plus 3 is 43. So x is equal to 43 by 43. That gives 1. So x is equal to 1. Okay. So x is equal to 1. Okay. Now we see. Now find out the y coordinate. Okay. So if x is equal to 1, substitute any equation. Now we take the second equation. So 5 of 1 minus 4y. This is equal to 1. Because x value is here 1. So substitute here 1. Okay. So minus 4y that is equal to 1. This 5 move to the right side, that becomes negative 1 minus 5. 4y is equal to minus 4. Minus 4y is equal to minus 4. Minus minus cancel. Y is equal to 4 by 4, that is 1. So y is equal to 1. Understand, children? So 1 comma 1. What is this point? Point of intersection, that is 1 comma 1. Okay. So the point of intersection is 1 comma 1. Is 1 comma 1. Okay. Now you know one point, and you can find out the slope. Okay, because this line is parallel to this line. Here the equation is given. If the equation is given means how can you find out the slope? Yes, you know that the slope m is equal to minus a by b. The minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Okay, so slope of CD is equal to, what is the equation of CD? 13x plus 5y plus 12 is equal to 0. Here minus coefficient of x. What is here coefficient of x? 13. So minus 13 by, what is the coefficient of y? That is 5. So here 5. Okay, slope of CD is, the slope of CD, this line is minus 13 by 3, minus 13 by 5. Okay, what is slope of this line? Yes, good. This line slope also minus 13 by 5 because these two are parallel. If the two lines are parallel means the slopes are equal, isn't it? So, therefore, the slope of AB is equal to minus 3 by 5 because AB is parallel to CD. Okay? If the two lines are parallel means the slopes are equal. Okay, now you know that one point and slope of this line. Okay? Okay. Now find out the equation of this AB. How do you find out that? So you apply slope under 1 point form. So that is y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. Okay? So now y minus here, which is a point 1 comma 1. So y1 is 1. What is the slope? Minus 3 by, see, minus 13 by, sorry, here minus 13 by 5. Minus 13 by 5 of x minus 1. Okay? Understood children? Okay, now this 5, do the cross multiply. 5y minus 5. 5y minus 5. Then this minus 13 multiply with the x and minus 1. This is equal to minus 13x minus into minus plus 13. Okay? Good. Now we see your negative. So bring to the left side. So 13x here plus y plus 5y. Then this 13 to the left side, that becomes negative. So minus 13 minus 5 is minus 18. This is equal to 0. Okay. This is the required equation. Okay. The equation of AB. Okay. Good. Now we see children. 10th sum. Exercise 5.4. 10th sum. Find the equation of a straight line through the intersection of lines and perpendicular to the line 4x minus 7y plus 13 is equal to 0. So first you draw the diagram. So the two lines are perpendicular. Sorry, the two lines are intersection. Okay. See, which are that lines? 5x minus 6y, that is equal to 2. The next one is 3x plus 2y is equal to 10. Okay. Then one line is passing through the point of intersection. This line is perpendicular to the line, the given line. This is the equation of this perpendicular line is 4x minus 7y plus 13 is equal to 0. Understand children question? See this line. You consider the point of intersection is O. Here give the name M. Okay. Okay. So OM line. This OM line is passes through the point of intersection of these two lines and perpendicular to this line. Okay. Okay. Now see. So how do you find out this point of intersection? See, you know already. So these two equations you have to solve and you get one point. That is the point of intersection. Okay. Okay. Now see. 5x minus 6y, that is equal to 2. Then 3x plus 2y, that is equal to 10. Okay. You consider this equation 1. This is equation 2. So now see, multiply equation 1 by, so no need because here 6, so here 2. This my equation 2 by 3. Okay, so multiply equation 2 by 3. We get here 6. Okay, so now the coefficients are same. Okay, okay. Now take a multiply equation 2 by 3. Which is equation 2? This. So multiply by 3. 3 3s are 9. 9x plus 3 2s are 6y. That is equal to 3 10s are 30. That is equation number 3. Now you take the first equation, that is 5x minus 6y, that is equal to 2. This is equation number 1. Okay. Now see, this both are different signs. Just you have to add. So add equation 3 plus equation 1. Okay. Now add these two. What we get? 9 plus 5 is 14x plus 6y minus 6y cancel. This is equal to 32. So x is equal to 32 by 14. Cancel the second table. Here 16. Here 7. Okay. So x value is 16 by 7. Okay. Now find out the y. What do you find out? Here 3x plus 2y is equal to 10. Okay. Here substitute x value, that is 16 by 7. 16 by 7 plus 2y, that is equal to, see here, this is 10, no? Yes, 10. Okay, okay. So now you do the cross multiply. So here 14y. Okay, here 3 16s are, see, 6 3s are 18, 6 3s are 18. Then remaining one here 3. So 48. Am I correct, children? So 16 3s are 48. Okay, plus here this 7 you do the cross multiply here. So what we get? 14y by 7. This is equal to 10. Okay. So here the 7 you put to the left side. So 48 plus 14y, that is equal to 70. Okay. So 14y, that is equal to 70 minus 48 is that is 22. Am I correct, children? 22. So y is equal to 22 by 14. 22 by 14. So cancel the second table. 11 times 7 times. So y is equal to 11 by 7. Okay. So what is the point of intersection here? The point of intersection is O of 16 by 7, 11 by 7. This is the point of intersection. Okay. Then you know that these two lines are perpendicular. These two lines are perpendicular. First you have to find out the slope of this line. Here already given that equation of this line. How do you find out the slope of the line? Here equation is given. You know that the slope m is equal to the negative coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Okay. So m is equal to the slope of AB. Slope of AB, that is equal to minus 4 by minus 7. So minus cancel. So 4 by 7. So now what is the slope of OM? This is the OM. Okay, here I give O. Here M. OM. Okay, so that is minus 7 by 4 because the negative reciprocal. Because this OM is perpendicular to AB. Okay. Okay. Now you know one point and slope. You have to find out the slope and one point form. Okay. So what is that? Y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. Okay. So what are the points? These are the points. You can say x1, y1. This is a slope m. Okay. So y minus 11 by 7, that is equal to minus 7 by 4 of x minus 16 by 7. Okay. Okay. Now see, here do the cross multiplies. 7y minus 11 by 7, that is equal to minus 7 by 4. Okay. So here do the cross multiply. 7x minus 16 by 7. So the 7 cancel. Now this 4 multiply here. So 4 of 7y minus 11, that is equal to minus 7 of 7x minus 16. So multiply. inside the 4 7s are 28y minus 44, that is equal to here minus 7 7s are 49x, minus into minus plus, 7 6 are 42, 4, then here 7, that is 111. Okay, so 112. Okay, now see, this is the x term. X term is here negative, so bring to the right side. So 49x, here already 28. So plus 28y, here is minus, this one you bring to the left side, that becomes negative. Okay, so negative, negative you have to add. So minus 4 plus 2, 6, then here 5, okay, here 1. This is equal to 0. So what is the equation, required equation of that line? 49x plus 28y minus 156 is equal to 0. This is the equation of this line. Okay, understand children? Good.